Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do mid-month reading for the month of October. I am doing for the sign Aries, fire sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Aries. Page of Cups, the Justice, Seven of Swords, the Hierophant. Yeah, definitely there is separation between both of you for some Aries. There are some commitment issues and trust issues I am getting, but one person wants second chance. I think your person wants second chance. They already approached in recent past. They want second chance with an apology. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Libra especially, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. For some there is separation, for some there is less contact, because one person in this connection is very sneaky. They are playing mind games, non-committal. One person, and I think it could be your person. Let's see what is going on your connection. The Three of Cups, for some this could be third party situation also. Knight of Swords, Five of Swords, lot of air energy. Yeah, Queen of Cups. You have strong emotions for your person, but your person playing games. I am getting Seven of Swords with Five of Swords. Definitely there are some trusting issues, some deception also in this connection, because your person, there could be third party situation. Someone also involved in this connection. Your person want to come towards you. Definitely they are rushing towards you. I am getting, you have emotions. So let's see what is your person near future actions towards you. Aries, your person near future actions towards you. The Hangman, Four of Cups, the Empress, and Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship now. They are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. They are spiritual awakening. After spiritual awakening, they want to work on this relationship. In past, there is no collaboration between both of you. Three of Pentacles. Now they want to work on this relationship. I think someone is involved in past, the Empress, the lady. Definitely two ladies involved in this connection I am getting. For some it could be third party, only for some, not all. Now your person want to work on this relationship. It's up to you, because there is no equal give and take. In past they cheated on you, they lied on you, they lied to you, they cheated on you. Now it's your turn to take decision, because in past your person is not committed to you. There are some trusting issues I am getting. They are in and out your life. There is no king here. Your person not committed to you. This time they also only speaking words but not doing any actions I am getting. So let's pull some cards from the universe for the connection, where it is headed. Yeah, the Dream, Six of Cups. They may be dreaming about you. Exhaustion, Nine of Wands. Success, Six of Wands. Two of Swords. Yeah, they may, under the deck, nothingness means herfed. Definitely commitment issues. Now your person want to commit to you because they're feeling strong soulmate and past life connection. The Dream means Six of Cups. You also feel strong soulmate and past life connection, because Queen of Cups is here. You have emotions for your person. Yeah, they want success with you. You both want success in this connection, but I think your person may be still Two of Swords. They have to make decision, clear decision. And Exhaustion, Nine of Wands. Definitely they are you may be exhausted for their behavior. You both want this relationship, but you committed, but your person not. You serious, but your person not. I am getting, there's trust issues I am getting. Your person not putting effort as much as you putting in this connection I am getting. So Aries, yeah, definitely your person communicate you. Definitely already they will communicate. They want to work on this relationship, but it's up to you. Depending upon your situation, you have to make decision to trust your person again or not. It's totally up to you. It's your personal decision. So Aries, it is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.